Are you wondering on how foreclosures work and how to stop them? Today we're going to be going over in our first episode of this mini-series on how to stop a foreclosure with our team, Giancarlo and Kate. You're going to get a little bit of perspective on what we had to do along this deal to stop the foreclosure in the beginning and how I started working on selling this deal and what kind of little hurdles we came along when meeting the seller in person for the closing. So what happened? We're going to break it all down. There'll be a little podcast with the full breakdown at the end. So there's going to be 4 episodes. This is the first one where you're about to learn how to stop the foreclosure. All right.
Hey, what's going on?
Giancarlo, meet Kate. I just got her on the phone here.
Kate? Oh, Kate. Hi, Kate. How are you? Yeah. Katie. Hey. Good, how are you? Good. Yeah. Justin called me up to speed. He only usually calls me for, like, we work together for the hard project. Yeah, exactly. He only called me for like foreclosure urgent stuff, so it's like, all right. Yeah, I'm really stoked that you live.
We can't hear you too well.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm still with that. Hold on. Call me subject to like video, but not the video. It's fast through like the internet. I have internet.
FaceTime audio?
FaceTime audio. Put me on that.
All right. Please. Sure. Good thing.
Yo.
Yeah, they're in here.
Hey. Is that better? Not really.
It is better, but I can't add them in.
Oh, shit. You just want to have him call me, or?
Yeah, I guess he'll call you.
Just have him call me, and then we can call you.
All right.
Bye.
All right. It takes 3 minutes to get people talking to each other. Yo, let's see if it's better now here. Can you hear her? Can you call her real quick? Type in her number.
Yeah. Let's see. What's her number?
305-240-7828.
All right, 1 second. All right, so everybody. Oh, I don't know. What?
We're all in
here. Justin, you here?
Yeah.
I'm here.
All right.
Hey, so Kate, long story short, I can help you guys. I used to work for the foreclosure banks and stuff. That's a quick bio, because I know we're all different places right now doing different things. But Justin was telling me he had an auction this month on the 27th, and I told him, well, her best option is probably in bankruptcy. I know, and then he referenced something you said about bankruptcy, and I was thinking she might be confused about the bankruptcy in the past. Did you ever file a bankruptcy, or? He did, Chapter 7. When did you do that?
The docs you sent me were Chapter 13.
You can do. You know the month you guys did it or not? He did it with his attorney. I don't know. Yeah, and then they said they denied him because he wasn't ready. Okay, so it sounds like you filed bankruptcy and then he didn't turn in all the paperwork in 2 weeks. Right, they denied it. Yep. That's probably what happened. So when you did it, it's kind of important because you could do it again. And honestly, it's the best option for your guys' situation. I don't know everything, but it's probably the best option. If you guys have some time, so it's something you can do. And if they deny it, we'll know right away. And then we can pivot. But at least we have a lot of time to do it. So I'm used to doing this. You did it. You have all the paperwork, right? I mean, Justin can share the documents. I mean, I put it.
Yeah.
It's the Dropbox.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can share those with you.
So you want me to tell him he can't go through bankruptcy and he doesn't have the money to pay the attorney? No, that's fine. So Justin will basically hire me. I can file it for you. Well, I don't have to file it myself. Someone will have to file it in person, but I can fill out everything for you. And I can save you the money cost involved just to cover that. Okay, I get that. What are you telling him to do that again? So what? It stops the foreclosure again? Is that why we do that? Yeah, exactly. Okay, so the goal is not to go through it. The goal is to file it just to postpone the auction. Because by filing it, it brings what's called an automatic stay. It'll give you guys another, you know the deal, I can tell it. Give you guys 30, 45 days, whatever. So that you guys can finish handling whatever business you guys are doing. So the whole goal is just to kick the can down the road. Well, it's gonna. Can you find out how much he owes? Exactly. So I pulled title about a month ago. So do you see that?
I sent him the documents here. Can you pull those up?
Yeah. So let's just go through their title. If you just look, I can have it sold. I can get a cash buyer if we can hold them off. How do we hold them off? Bankruptcy, right? Is that what you're saying? There's no way to go in right now and say we're going to put the seven contract for 700 with him, sell it for 900.
Yeah, we are going to do that first, and then we're going to do this.
Okay.
You have to do both basically at the same time. What's happening is if you just try to close right now on the transaction, you're not going to have time because title company has full title, clear it, XYZ. You're just not going to have time. So by doing the bankruptcy, you get me. All right. So I'll do everything. Justin's covering it. All I need you to do is literally take it there. I'm going to prepare everything. All I need you to do is literally print it out, sign it, four spots. Yeah, take it there. That's literally all you have to do. I'm going to do all the legwork. I'll let you know when it's ready, and I should have it ready like a day or two, and then just take it there.
Back to the state on Tuesday. Or Thursday, sorry.
Thursday? Okay, that's perfect. Actually, no worries. Thursday.
I'll talk to you guys. And whatever you need, you just text me, and I'll get your number.
Yeah, I'm going to add him to the group chat.
I'm also local.
No, I didn't post it because now I can hear me. You hear me? Why don't you know how to answer questions, bro? Anyways,
Well, he owes
I didn't post it
682, right? Based off of what you told me. But only 482 is on the house.
so we should still post it?
Give me all the documents. I will talk to the discussant tomorrow because I've been touching all day.
No, wait, what? No, they said it's not. They said that the seller won't sign a contract unless we have the buyer.
So here's what he's gonna want to know. Like he's gonna say,
And
"Oh my
5K
God, I thought
unit.
it owes like another 100,000." But he doesn't. He might owe it in
Yeah.
other states,
So we should just do it?
right? He's fucked basically because he isn't going to give up. He's got whatever's on the house is on the house. But whatever's being held. Anyways, we're gonna help him, right?
Yep.
We should send out a
We're
contract.
gonna help him. Regardless, we're gonna help him.
What?
I'm gonna help this guy so bad. So whatever we need to do, you just tell me. I will work my butt off. And look at that folder. I mean, everything is under there. And I have photos. I can send those to you too. And I've already talked to people about buying it.
Okay. Perfect.
All right. You tell me what you need from me, okay? Thank you guys.
Thanks. Have a good one.
Thank you guys. Take care.
Thank you, Justin. Bye.
Appreciate it. Bye. Have a great one.
All right.
All right, Giancarlo. Let us know on that. And if you can read this Dropbox folder I sent you, there's all these mortgage statements on. Well, I was just going based off of the bankruptcy saying 482.
That might not be right.
I don't know if that's right, though, but
Bro, we might have a deal here, bro. Because like all the 42 is going off of the creditors. They could have been including creditors from like credit cards and like other crap in the past stuff. Let me check. I'll check the debt because imagine you a fluff, bro. I'm not gonna be I could be more, but
for sure. Well, let me know. She says she can sell it for a bunch, but I'm not sure if she's for real.
Yeah.